Hey guys, what's going on? It's Stowe here, and today I'm going to be doing a car shoot with Abby, and let's get into it. Okay, so for the first shot that we're going to do is use the window on the side of the panel just to get this nice cool glary effect. We're going to use the glass just underneath the eye just to cause this really cool effect, and I'll just show you what it looks like here. So as you can see, all I did was wheel the window down halfway, and then Abby's going to come up to the window and she's just going to pose, and it's going to look really nice just because you're going to get this really nice cool effect on it. One thing you've also got to just be careful of is just making sure the focus is on the eyes. Don't go on autofocus mode, actually manually focus it and make sure the focus is on the eyes. I'm using a aperture of 1.8 just to keep that really shallow depth of field, and it looked really nice. So the benefit of doing this kind of shot is that you get this focus on the eyes. That's what the best thing about this is. You can see really nice, clearly and sharply the eyes, and you get no other distractions. Okay, so now we're in the back of the car as well. We're gonna use like the interior just to get some nice cool shots. So what's really cool about like having this really small space is that you're gonna have obstacles in the way. So if I like brought the camera forward, you can see that the seat is gonna be out of focus, but if I angle it in some positions, you're gonna see nice shots of Abby who's really clear. That really just draws the eye to the portrait by having like these obstacles, the out of focus obstacles in the way. So we're gonna try and get some shots now. Now, what I really want to emphasize about this shoot is that it's not about location, it's about getting the shots and trying out new creative things. You've always got to trial and error and see how it goes. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just do some boot shots outside, hang the legs out and just pan about and see how it goes. So another shot that I'm going to do is just using the wing mirrors, trying to get some cool reflections and just seeing what it looks like. I'm also going to use my Prism, just playing about with that and just getting some reflections through glare on the front of the lens and just seeing how the light catches it and just trying out new things and just seeing how it goes. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. Make sure you check out Abby's Instagram, it'll be linked right here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!